What's really important is where is this model? For instance, in this model, they think, okay, I'm just gonna go down here. Really? Because you're upside down when you get there. You don't feel it, and your airplane didn't say anything about it. Imagine being on a ship and going here. Like, yeah, everything doesn't fall out. So people say it's a matter of gravity. Gravity is not exactly an answer. It's a good verbal answer, but there's never really been an object of mass attracting another object of mass. And the idea that when you drop something, that was gravity, forgot the fact I lifted it, and the potential energy was created by me lifting it here. It happens to be less dense than the air, but things float and things think. That's density and buoyancy, not gravity. Stuff floats in the water. Take the ball underneath, it floats to the top, but it don't float out into space because it's less dense than the air. Excuse me. So it's tough here because they're going to learn otherwise. If you tell them to question school, we got a big problem. So this is tough going against the grain. It's real tough on us. But I don't find this model to hold up. I don't think we're moving at 1,000 miles an hour. And when I go to analyze some things, like imagine the North Star has always been in the same place. And these guys one day go, hey, wait, if the North Star's here, how can I see it? Because they got smart one day. And we go, don't worry, the thing's tilted. And if the thing's tilted, then they can see it sometimes, right? That's their answer. But look, the equator didn't get straight. They tilted the Earth, but they left the equator like this. You know, so that kind of oversight is what we're noticing. Is it's just a story. The motion is not measurable. The curvature is not measurable. And when you're at a place like this, it becomes a little more apparent because when you do the math, you should be able to see the curvature of the Earth very quickly, 2 and 3 and 4 miles, not hundreds of miles away. And it isn't as big as we think. We tend to think we're real big. Hey, how's it going? There's a man with questions. What you got? I know you got a question. What do you got?
Now they're saying you know, are you guys getting it straight or?
You know what level is, right?
My name is Mason.
And you would describe yourself as a flat earther?